This man is very tired. Good morning. Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. See our weekend. See the beginning of the week. See the beginning. Wake up. Wake up. See, you're still with the blank and kids.
What is that?
I do video now. Video. Welcome to our YouTube channel, guys. How are you guys doing? I believe you guys are doing great. The week was not easy for us, which is last week. So this week, my husband is trying to take rest.
My people, I need to take rest.
Because he was running around all through week.
All my legs,
so he's not feeling that too
all my
right.
hands are broken.
Yeah.
I need
But
someone
how
to
long
fix
are you
it.
going to rest, by the way? Do you know the time now?
By 5.
By 5 you want to wake up?
Yes.
Yay! That means you don't want to eat.
No problem. Forget food. My body needs rest.
Forget what?
Even if I can get massage, to massage on my leg and my back. In fact, I will do Thanksgiving in the church. All my shoulders are paining.
Guys, it's not easy for my husband. Plus, he was the one running around and everything. Plus, the pregnancy. You guys know now, we have a newborn soon. We have a new one soon, so it's not easy for him. It's going to be a daddy again.
Yeah.
Daddy for the second time.
I'm expecting a baby boy.
By God's grace, God will grant you your heart desire.
Amen. Oh.
It will grant your heart desire. So guys, I'm just here to update you guys that from now onward, we are going to give you guys upload often, by God's grace. God will give us strength to do this. Yeah, to do this. And I believe he will get time too. So what do you guys want us to do? Let us know in the down comment, guys. What do you guys want to see? Is it family vlog or normal vlog, talking vlog? Which vlog? Which one do you guys want to hear? So anyway, we will just put out something, and I believe you guys are going to like it. And if you are new to this place, please, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to our YouTube channel, be a family, join my membership, and you won't regret it. So if you are not yet monetized, join the membership and you will get amazing things of support.
That's all.
So yeah, blanket man.
Subscribe my channel. Press my button.
Press your button.
Like my button.
While you do sleep. You are sleeping now.
I close my eyes. You know what I just feel? I do whoa.
You still need to sleep by this time.
I think just do whoa. I come not say, nah, 2 hours mostly.
Hey, I want to eat.
You want to eat?
I want to eat. I want to eat pork.
Call delicacy now.
The baby want to eat.
I don't know, call delicacy.
The baby want to eat dog meat.
Again?
Dog meat.
From which country?
Dog meat now.
Are you in Nigeria?
Ha!
You forget where you are. You're in India.
Hey, you can feed them now.
No, God forbid. You want Indian government to jail me.
Jail you for what?
You can't
Baby
kill
won't
dog.
eat
You
dog
can't
meat
kill
now.
dog here and eat. Oh. They know when you try it.
Yeah.
You go hear kiss.
Wee.
Why do you say their dog is very precious to them?
That means their meat is very nice, right?
No, not because they are nice. So that's 3 dogs. They are security officers.
Military spirit.
Military spirit. They all have been
They are
posted.
military spirits.
They are all posted in their various offices.
Locations.
And if you make mistake, and don't you see when people hit the dog, people always run out. to harass you and to make sure you take care of the dog.
That's so true.
So
I see
those
that.
dogs are not for play.
Wow.
It's the second police in India. If anybody do anything wrong,
You do anyhow, you go
and
see
you
anyhow.
start running, police will allow you to run. They will just tell you continue running. The dog will be the one pursuing you and shouting, "Okay, he's here. Oh. My colleague, he's on this side. Come and catch him. Oh, he's on this side. We are hungry. Come and see him here. We caught him."
Because they feed them with biscuit and all those stuff.
They give them rice. So even sometimes they give them a water milk with mini yoyo.
So this is a water minute.
Water soup.
Guys, this week is a blessing week. It's a new week. We are just resting. Because our visitors, they just left and see us here. See us here. See the man of the house. Don't want to wake up since morning.
My people know they is you.
Since morning. Now it's after 2.
I know okay myself.
Hey.
Body no be firewood though. I tell you, body no be firewood. All my leg they pain. I came back 3 a.m.
Yeah, it's so true. Well, you come back from
all my body. That 3 a.m. throughout the whole day. 3 days before that.
Around,
I was not able to sleep completely 3 hours.
Yeah, because you're in the hospital then.
So it's not
Thank you so much everyone for whosoever prayed for my son. We are so grateful. Thank you guys.
Yeah, sincerely.
Thank you. We appreciate
Thank you for your prayers, huh?
We appreciate it.
You guys are amazing.
Yes. So that's all guys for today. I just want to show you guys see our pastors. Our pa. You see the sleep. When I see her in reality.
One and not me. I'm a human being just like each one of you.
Yeah.
In spite they put the name pastor, men of God. Understand that word is called man of God. There is still man in me. And that man used to get tired. If that man overwork himself, you cannot cheat nature. So when you work beyond your capacity,
limits, you break out.
Then you break down.
So guys, that's all for today. Bye bye for now. So tell them bye bye.
Oh, peace.
Now bye bye. You're gonna do like small baby. May the peace be with you all. Amen.
May the peace of the Lord. Na fun na one. I'm also. Amen. See you tomorrow.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Yeah. Now you teach me too. That's how it be. Okay now guys, not my chance, okay? That's how it be. Bye bye.
Bye.